it's very light, I mean super light. They're not brand new, so you can see some bits of pitting and stuff, but they are in pretty good nick now and obviously ready to be fitted. So just to show you that the Hella Comet 500s are near enough a direct replacement. They fit the brackets perfectly and they're nice and slim on the front of the car. So this is the finished result. I've also done the wiring into the back. And just to finish them off nicely, we've also got the Ford sticker. So I've peeled the Hella ones off and put the Ford ones on. And then inside the light, the old Ford connections that we had, these. And I thought that they'd be at least insulated crimps, but they're not. So what I've done is I've heat shrinked once I've soldered them on. The cheap headlights, the front lens, you can actually see that they are E-marked. Whether that means anything to anyone these days, I don't know. The back, you can see the cap is pretty cheap, but at least they're new and they're clean, so it should definitely brighten up the front end to match the paint, etc. when that's all completed. And they do come with a top adjuster, but not the bottom adjuster, which is the one that luckily we did save. They came with the indicators as well. I wasn't sure whether to go with orange or clear lenses, but in the end, because these came with the headlights delivered for 70 quid, I thought let's just stick with clear for now, and if I change my mind later, I'll just bin these ones and obviously get the orange ones. Again, these are E-marked. They also came with the steel clip. These were £10. Again, cheap, do the job, be nice and clean. And if I do change the indicators on the front to orange, obviously I'll change these as well to orange. They come with a rubber seal. It's just an O-ring, it's not even a proper seal really. A sucker for the smoked rear lights. I think they just look the best out of all of them over the standard red ones or the clear ones. A lot of people with white tend to go for the clear. Cost a bloody fortune, there was over £200. They didn't come with the seal, so I've had to order the rubber seals from around the outside. They was £9 for a pair, but they do come with the nylon washers and new nuts as well. The bulb holder across here, the one that came out of my lights is very corroded, so I don't know whether we're going to have to buy new ones. I'm a bit disappointed the money I paid for these, to be honest, that they didn't come with the bulb holders, but it didn't say on the advert that they did, so these are full, I suppose. New fuel pump bracket, it's already covered in fingerprints. It's going to be a problem, but it's stainless steel and it's been laser cut. All stainless steel washers, again stainless steel bolts, stainless steel nuts. So why pay £300 upwards for an original rusted that's then been refurbed fuel pump holder, when for 150 quid, I mean, this all the edges have been cleaned up and everything. I mean, the workmanship that's gone into that, poly bushes as well. I just don't see the benefit of replacing the original with an original at twice the price. I can't wait to see this under the car with a brand new fuel pump, all with new fuel lines, all everything powder coated underneath, all clean chassis with the new chassis bolts that we've already got as well. So it's nice to see shiny parts instead of just the underneath of a rusty car. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Cheers.